Yo, what's good, my guys? We back today. Not with another tutorial, not today. I just want to give an update to my beard and basically what I've been doing to make it grow. It's been a week so far, and I'm gonna do like weekly updates from now on like my beard growth, and I think that'll be something good I could incorporate into my channel on top of my hair as well. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with my beard journey, and I guess weekly I'm gonna update a new video giving an update to how my beard is doing, how much it's grown. Basically all I've been doing to my beard to make it like grow faster a little bit is just putting like rice water on it. I have a rice water tutorial, rice water hair treatment that I show you how to make rice water. You can check that out. I'll leave that in the I'll tag that up above. So yeah, there's not really much to this video right now. It's just to show y'all how much it's grown. You can see it's like a little bit of a stubble. Show you the side. Under. It's like a little bit of a I guess you could call it stubby. Other side. It's doing pretty well so far, you feel me? I've been trying to use like a little bit of like Jamaican black castor oil because I heard that helps your beard grow as well. But it is what it is, man. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. Make sure to please comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my other videos as well. I have a whole bunch of other tutorials that teach you how to braid, rice water hair treatment, how to moisturize your curls, how to get curls, all that stuff. And any type of video you guys want me to do, leave a comment in the description. Leave a comment below, and I'll definitely look into that. And also check out my music. Your boy, yes, I'm an artist. I make music. You feel me? All my music links are in the description. Please check that out. And yeah, man, thank you guys. We out. Hey.